think Kim switched to the otter.
Yep. No!
That's for using the otter. You're on my team, but I still did it.
She's still out. She's still out.
No! No!
No! Oh! That guy Donkey Kong punched me. Holy fuck! Right in the back of the head. Somebody threw a fish. Oh my god, that guy. Oh no, what's gonna happen? Oh! Oh, the bomb!
My fish!
I wonder who got it.
Wow, must have been
Wait, one of those guys I think was my teammate and I didn't even notice.
Wait, we need to work together. These two are on the red team together.
Yeah, I'm trying. How do you throw? Oh, somebody clocked me with a fish.
It's my fish!
Kim, why?
Temporary truce till we beat these red bastards, eh?
Yep. Get him.
Holy fuck!
Throw him. I'm swarming. Oh, fish. Fish knockout. I can't get him. Oh, I have the fish. What the fuck? Oh. No. 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 Whoa, fuck.
Yes! No, 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 no.
Oh, no!
Oh. Okay.
Can I kick him?
Calmly
Oh.
toss him off.
There's too many fish. You're getting in the way of grabs.
You can hit them with the fish!
Why couldn't they be bananas? No, he didn't quite get him. Whoa, no, no,
no, no,
Oh my god.
no, no.
Did he really just beat us?
That was unlucky. Whoa!
Yes, teammate, yes.
Well, good luck, Kim.
No, that monkey's gonna
Who
punch
threw
him.
that at me?
That monkey's gonna punch him.
Someone threw something at me.
Get off my teammate. How did that miss?
Rude.
Oh, those guys are on a team.
This shooting is weird.
Look at him. He's throwing kidney shots.
Stand
Look
on
at
the
him.
bottom.
Look at him.
Oh.
Get him off. Get that guy. How
Man,
long
I
can
don't
he
think we can hit the
hang?
guy up above.
Don't
stand
hit the
him
guy
over, not
above. That's my
intentional. There
guy.
it
Don't
goes.
hit the green guy. That's my guy.
Oh, that was your guy. I thought you. Oh, that bomb was well placed.
Oh, yes. Yes. Yeah.
No, no, no!
Oh! I paid for it. I paid for it. Holy shit. Get out of here, you damn dirty animal. I swear to God, these guys, they're doing something to make it so they roll backwards instead of me throwing them forward. Kim, get me out of here. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh my God. No! Are you kidding? I went with them. Are you kidding?
You should just hold on there.
Kim, hold on to something. You're holding on to the guy. You're holding
Yeah, hold on to
the
him.
guy.
Hold on to him.
Oh!
It's dirty fish.
Right in the face.
I think Clayton just did that to me. I think it was.
No, I'm the one who threw it at
On
the
his
wolf.
screen, you didn't.
I knocked out the wolf, but it was right after he fucking. Oh my God! The red guy just threw his teammate off.
He's got.
That's my banana. Freeze the orange guy, the dog. Oh my God.
I think Kim backhanded me.
Uh-oh. Oh, he's on you. He's on you. I'll try to fish him. I'll try to fish him. I'll try to fish him.
No, you fished no.
No, 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 no.
You fished me.
No, mine didn't shoot off. That was somebody else.
Oh.
Oh, I just overshot the unicorn. Oh! The fact that he was accurate enough to do that. Get away, Josh. Josh, you fucking cocksucker. Why did you get
I
knocked
knocked myself out too.
Yeah, why did you go out? Look at me just chilling here dead. I'm still not awake.
Oh!
Oh!
Hard.
Leave these fish off me! I'm just not gonna touch the controller because this is working.
No!
Oh, that bomb. I hope that's not close to me. It is.
Is it? I think that was my bomb.
Well, don't bomb me. Get orange. He's winning. Oh my god, I'm getting attacked.
Yeah,
Why
but
does
you're
everybody
on the
want
ball.
me to lose? That can't be the orange guy's teammate shooting 4 fish at me.
Oh, got him! And you. they keep hitting you both.
Oh, he
Random
kicked
fish.
me!
He got you.
What is everybody's problem, though? Yellow was on match point, and 6 fish get thrown at me. What is
The
that?
reason was because you're staying on the bottom of the bridge, just like passed out the entire time.
Yeah, but who cares? Yellow's on match point.
People aren't thinking about that.
They should have been helping me. Oh my god. What's up, bro?
Son of a bitch.
He's my kick move.
It's why for me. Wait, what was my headbutt?
Oh!
Oh, I could.
I kissed her otter and I looked really
Are you kidding me? Why did he put his head down?
Goodbye.
Hi, Josh. What's up?
Hey,
Now
how's
look,
it
I think
going?
you guys are lovers.
Look at you just hanging out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wait, we're the last two. What the fuck? Oh. Stop it.
You dancing?
Oh, he knocked me out!
No! Hold on for dear life.
Nope.
That's bullshit!
What are we gonna do here, Clayton?
That's what we're gonna do.
No.
That's what we're gonna do. Oh my god. That's gotta be the hardest punch I've ever landed in this.
Otters. Gosh.
Look, we have a fellow otter on the other side of this glass.
Yep.
Oh, I deserve that. Holy shit.
No!
We
No!
all die together.
My
Okay,
teammate
okay.
fucking knocked me down.
Okay.
Why is he
Okay.
doing this to me? I'm your teammate, you ass. Oh, I won. Nice.
Well, the good news is you won anyway.
Yeah. Hey, hey, I'm being cool here.
I'm not. I didn't realize that was you playing that. I wouldn't have freaked out as much. I can't trust someone with a fucking tennis racket in there.
No.
Oh no.
Are you fucking kidding me throwing that bomb at me? Are you fucking kidding me? Ow!
That gorilla.
Let me go! Oh!
The bananas to the gorilla.
Oh! Please tell me I'm behind that. I'm
You're
not.
welcome,
I'm not.
Kim.
No.
Yes, I need the gorilla too.
Oh, the handle broke. Yes. Yes.
No,
Yes.
No, no.
Oh,
I better have
I
just
thought
won
you
that.
just won that.
That's bullshit.
No.
That's bullshit.
You did get zoomed away at the end.
That is crap, man. Get off me,
Man,
player.
after my pro Twitch throws for both you and the gorilla.
Oh. Hey, if these guys pile up on this side, you want to drop it and go to the other one? Oh, they went
Yes.
over there. They went over there. Pull them through!
No, he got me! He's got me!
I think you got rid of them though, did you?
I did.
Ow. Get away, get away, get away!
Hold on to my dead body.
No! The fucking green gorilla got it again. Well, somebody just chucked that hammer out of play. Kim, stop pecking at me.
I think it was a few of us. Clayton, you wouldn't think about letting this go while I'm behind it, would you?
Sure would.
You certainly would.
Oh, everybody went over. I'll come back.
Well, yeah.
Just a minute.
They're not dumb, you know? I'm just pressed against the glass. Oh no! Oh no!
Oh, it's gonna break! It's gonna break!
Uh-oh!
No, the green gorilla! The green gorilla! Dude, are you fucking kidding me?
How did he see that coming? I'm being nothing but a nuisance over here. The unicorn's so angry at me, he's his body.
Guys, I'm under attack. Oh, Kim, this is perfect. This is perfect. Oh, shit, a bomb hit me. Kim's just headbutting the guy trying to get me constantly. Oh, you just headbutted me, though. Hey. Oh, whoops. Defend me, defend me, defend me, defend me. Oh, I thought we just won, but I got pulled out. Oh, the bomb, are you kidding? Alright.
I scored 1 coin for them. I don't know if it counted for us or that, but I just thought it was funny.
Oh. Wow.
Oh, oh. Oh.
Wait,
Apparently
I'm
you can
swimming
grab
in the
the
water.
missiles. There's human for it.
This fucking duck won't get off of me. This guy is the one who threw me in here, then he came in after, and he won't get off. Oh, I survived. Kim, you're still here? Oh, what the? Whoa, what the hell?
Yeah, you can swim back on. It's just incredibly hard.
Yeah. No, that guy's gonna drag me down.
Oh, the guy's trying to drown me. Oh, you sack of shit.
No.
I knocked out the otter. I was aiming for the cow.
Come on,
Oh,
cat.
bye,
Get up
Kim.
there.
No!
Oh, that fucking cow. He suicided me.
The fucking pigeon.
Damn it. This is a cool level, though. I like this.
I like it, yeah.
Alright, I'm sunk.
Get up right away, right?
No, fucking cow! Oh no, it's an otter! No! No!
Oh, the explosion! Why can't I grab on?
What am I grabbing? Oh.
Are you grabbing me? That's what's happening? We're just fucking each other?
Let go! Please! No, I'm going in.
Ooh, fuck.
Hey, you'll get on the top. Okay. When the missiles are going off, you do not want to be up top.
Hey, is it just me and you?
No, there's... Oh! I think it might be. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck.
Oh, the banana!
Someone got you!
I did it.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That was a good punch.
Oh my god! I nailed ya.
takes too long for people to die in this one.
What the fuck? There's a guy just hiding at the top.
I was wondering why people didn't just do that. And there's another person coming behind you?
That guy's my teammate,
Where did
at
the
least.
other person come from?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, that fish! That fish!
I don't know who got you, but they got you bad.
Ooh,
Whoops.
my teammate. All right.
Well, here's some fish to
Hey!
survive on while you
Stop
wait.
it. I don't know where my
Yeah,
teammate came
right.
from, though. It looked like
I
everybody
have
was
no
going.
idea.
He just
I saw some people fall into the missile bay,
He just crawled
Maybe
up out
there's
of
something down
nowhere,
there.
though.
right?
Yeah, fuck you, Otter. Knock him right off. Ah. Somebody get that cow. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Oh, the otter came back. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Kim's at the back. Oh my god, that bomb, no. Oh! Kim's heading up top. She said the hell with all the fighting. I'm going to.
Missiles will blow you off up there. That's the problem.
I know.
You know now.
Hey, somebody's throwing fish
Turn
at
off.
me. Oh, that cow is flying. I can't get up any further.
It's really hard. Try holding forward if you're not already.
I am. Oh, no, no.
Oh, hi, kid.
Hello.
Oh,
No!
fish! A fish nailed me
No,
right
no,
in
no,
the
no, no.
face. Just saw Josh come off.
No!
Hey, what's this?
Oh,
What's
maybe
this?
I could survive longer.
What's this?
Everyone's off the boat. Swift, it's part of the submarine. It goes under early.
Oh, me and Kim are done. We're done. I think the fucking otter's gonna get it.
Yeah, I'm done too. I see other people, like, not flailing, and it confuses me.
What the? No, frying pan, get out of here! Oh. Yes, somebody hit me
Ah,
with
I
fish.
nailed him!
Kim's just circling this thing.
Oh.
Somebody hit her with a
Midget
fish
again.
dead on and she didn't move, though.
I just saw her fall.
Oh, I saw her just stay where she was.
Looks like Kitty needs a fish. That wasn't even my fish.
Yeah, fuck off throwing these fish. Get the
It was
otter,
about
he's
to be
on
my
match
fish.
point. The otter's on match point.
Fish! Wow, that was way over.
Oh my god, he's just knocking me out over and over. Kim's still climbing. I can't get up, they're just knocking me out. Get that otter. Throw his ass off.
Oh,
Yes!
oh, there he went. Oh, it looks like Kitty needs a fish.
No, he doesn't.
Oh, jeez. Otter's back.
Oh, why did I get knocked out? Nobody was even attacking. Why the fuck did I get knocked out?
Get this pet. Come on, kid, come on. You can do it.
Kim, you better beat that guy.
Yes, he's struggling.
You better beat him. I'm drowning.
You hit him on the way by. You got him. Hold on, Kim. Hold on. Here's a fish to help.
Yeah, here's a fish. I nailed her. Oh, did that really just fucking sink her? Did I just give it to the otter?
Oh
Oh my god.
What?
I gave it to him. I gave it to him. What the fuck?
I don't even know how he pulled that off.